Hello and welcome to another video. Here is a vectors problem from a topic test on vectors. I'll attach the topic test in the description. But this question says OMA, ONB and ABC are straight lines. M is the midpoint of OA, B is the midpoint of AC, OA equals 6A, OB equals 6B and ON equals KB, where K is a scalar quantity. Given that MNC is a straight line, find the value of K. So OA is 6A, OB is 6B, that's this length here, and ON is KB. Alright, I might just move that over here. So that's the entire length of that line. Okay, and we need to find the value of K. So I encourage you to have a go at this question yourself. So pause the video now if you want to do that. Okay, so the key to this question is to find Mn and then Mc and compare the coefficients of those two vectors. So if we want to draw in MNC, you'll notice that it doesn't actually join up with C. So this diagram is not made to scale, but let's just improve it a little bit just so it looks a bit nicer. So let's just say that extends out here and then they join up at C. Okay, now they tell us that M is the midpoint of A, so that means that this is 3A and this is 3A, and they tell us that B is the midpoint of AC. Even though it doesn't look it on this diagram, AB is equal to BC. Okay, so these two lengths here are equal. So if we want to find Mn, a vector for Mn, let's go ahead and do that first. This would be 3A, or actually OA is 6A, that's going in that direction. So MO would be negative 3A. And then we want to add on KB. Okay, so we have a vector for Mn. Another way of writing that would be KB take 3A. Then we want a vector for MC. To find MC, first we want to find AB, a vector for AB. So if I start at A and go to B, I could go negative 6A and then add on 6B. So another way of writing that is 6B take 6A. So I've gone up and down again. And then if I want to find AC, remember BC is the same as AB, so AC would be two lots of AB. So AC would be two lots of AB. So therefore multiply this vector by 2, we'd get 12B take 12A. And then we can go from M to C. So MC would be MA, which is 3A, plus AC, which we've just found, plus 12B take 12A. And then if we simplify this, negative 12A plus 3A, well, we could write this as 12B take 9A. So we have a vector for MC, we have a vector for Mn. So now we can say that, well, because MNC is a straight line, tell us that in the question, then MC must be some multiple of Mn. So let's pick a letter. Let's say, well, we've already used A and B. Let's use X. So MC will be X times Mn. So that's the scalar, we call that the scalar multiple, and we multiply that by Mn, we would get MC, because MNC is a straight line. Okay, then we can say that 12B take 9A equals X times KB take 3A. And now what we want to do is to equate coefficients. So we can say that because these two vectors are equal, because we multiplied Mn by some amount, then the coefficients of each vector should be equal. So we'll have, if we expand this out, we would get negative 3x should equal the same coefficient as a on this side. So negative 3x equals negative 9. So therefore, well, negative 3 times 3 is negative 9, so x must be 3. And then let's go up here. We can say we know x now. So the coefficients of b on the right hand side here are xk. They need to equal the coefficients of b on the left hand side. So xk needs to equal 12. We know x actually, so I should have written 3k equals 12. So therefore k must equal 4. And that's your final answer for this question, k equal to 4. I hope you found that useful. Again, if you want more vectors problems like this, check out the topic test in the description. Please leave a like. If you appreciated this video, subscribe if you want to see more content, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.